Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Marvel Rivals videos updated. Start by planning your episode format, gameplay highlights, and commentary tone. Record short clips of key plays and reactions to keep pacing tight. Use clear audio and simple overlays to label characters and stats for viewers. Aim for 3 to 5 standout moments per video, and edit to remove dead air while keeping energy high and consistent. Set up a quiet space and test microphone levels so dialogue stays clear and present in every cut. Capture gameplay at a consistent frame rate and resolution to avoid visual jarring during edits. Record brief reaction clips immediately after each play to preserve authenticity. Keep clips concise to speed editing, and label each file by match and moment for fast retrieval. These habits save time and improve final video quality. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your car smelling great after long recording sessions and commute drives. It pairs nicely with coffee breaks between edits and keeps the studio vibe fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start editing by placing your top highlights on the timeline to set the video rhythm early. Use light transitions and clear on-screen labels to guide viewers through each play and character choice. Adjust game audio so voice sits comfortably above effects, and use short fades to smooth cuts. Include a quick intro and outro that matches your channel style. Keep total runtime focused and energetic to maintain viewer attention and encourage replay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.